Greetings, QCS build fans, and welcome to another episode where I'm wearing the wrong shirt. So, if you saw the server build on a budget, then you'll know that I'm filming this on the same day, so that's why I'm still in the wrong shirt. So, anyways, so this is our small business Unifi network. Ubiquiti network on a budget. So most importantly, we've got our 2 access points. These are both US AC Pros, dual band, 3+ or 3x3 MIMO wireless access points. These all come with their own mounting hardware for either a surface mount or any kind of like ceiling tile, outdoor, anything like that. It also comes with this guy here. Just unlock that. That slides off. It also comes with the ceiling silicone rubber. So that way you keep your USB and your 2 gigabit Ethernet ports out of the weather. So this actually works really well. I've installed a couple of these outdoors and they work great. So the one thing you probably will notice is that over time, if these are in an area with a lot of UV exposure, these will probably yellow over time, but it won't affect the longevity of the unit in any way. So, alright, snap that back on there. The other thing it also comes with, if you buy them singly, each one comes with its own PoE injector. Now these are 48 volt, half amp DC power injectors. So like our little edge router here, it's 24 volt PoE output. So this will not run this. This is ideal if you were going to run, probably like a single camera or another PoE switch or device or anything like that over the network, and you were going to like daisy chain these guys together or something. That's ideally what that would be for. So, but then we also have our EdgeRouter 12. Now the beauty of this unit is this gives us one, we have console USB for configuration, and that gives us 10 gigabit ports, RJ45 gigabit ports, that we can configure pretty much any way we want. We can set them up as WAN, LAN, multiple WAN, multiple LANs. We can kind of set this up however we want to configure it without any issue. The other nice thing about this is it has 2 SFP ports that are 1 gigabit. So if you were to want fiber, or you just ended up needing a couple extra ports, you could put RJ45 adapters in there, and it would give you 12 full ports of switching capability. So, all right, well that's it. Let's get to installing tomorrow.
Okay, so here you can see this is what we have to start with. Welcome to our small dental office. So this is a very small office. It only has 5 chairs. This is the lab area and everything. We could have put everything downstairs. The problem with doing that, however, was the fact that we didn't have really any good place to put the server or the network or anything else, because we would have to buy extra racks and either wall mount them or floor mount them or put them in secure cases and raise them up off the floor, so when the basement flooded, we didn't get, ruined hardware and stuff like that. So it was just like, nope, we're gonna just keep this simple. So again, this is part of the office on a budget. So anyways, so moving on. So you can see this is the network that I had to start with. Literally a DSL modem, a battery backup, and already installed wiring. That's it. That's all there is. Literally nothing else. That was the extent of the existing network when my clients bought the place. And they said, yeah, we're going to need some stuff, so if you could go over there and take a look at this and tell us what we need. It's like, yeah, you need everything. So you can see actually that where the blue network cable is coming through and actually coming through the wall here, that's actually a PVC conduit. And it does not go down, it does not go up, it goes both ways. Because there's a PVC T right there, and it's about, I would say it's probably a 2.5 inch piece of PVC pipe that's in there, and it goes both directions. We were going to go down, and then decided that was actually going to be more, way more effort than it was going to be. And then we decided, well, we got to go up because it's like, well, we're just going to do access points because access points are going to be cheaper. We only have to drop 2 lines in the whole building, just to run the access points, in, out, done. No big deal, right? Well, it was a little more difficult than I planned on because of the configuration of the building, the way it was constructed. But it still would have been. It was still far less expensive to do it this way. So we ended up running 2 lines coming out here, and if we go to the next picture, you can see we ended up with 1 access point next to our moose head, or a moose bust, I guess as you would call it. The bust is no longer there. The previous owners kept it. But we just wall mounted that one because if you look down here down the hall, there's drop ceiling. So we ran the cable up over the drop ceiling, and there's drop ceiling in here, so that gave us a good hiding point for all of our cables. And then we ran surface mounted this access point for the front reception area and for the front office, reception desk area and the front desk area. And then we ran this one, which is down in the more towards the back of the building and next to the office and storage room, I believe. And this access point gives enough coverage for the entire office. And granted, this office is not very big. This office is maybe 2,000 square feet tops. It's not super huge. So all on a single level. So two Unifi AP/AC Pro access points, more than enough. Especially given the fact we have garbage DSL internet, and we will have garbage DSL internet for, at the time of recording this, for probably the next 6 months, at least. Because, yeah, there's nothing but copper in the streets. It's great. No fiber. Can't get anything else because there's too many trees. It's like, yeah. Nope. So, anyways. Alright, so there's our access points. And the coverage is really, really good. Went through, tested it. The coverage is, for lack of a better word, immaculate. So, you cannot complain with that. So, and then here in our closet, you can see, well, this is not quite the final result. But this is basically what we end up with for the network part. So we ended up with, and this is the network installed. And we got our EdgeRouter set up and everything. With that feeding our 2 PoE injectors, and our PoE injectors go to our box that we or surface mount box, which run our 2 access points. Well, stay tuned. We'll get you a follow-up picture of the completed setup when we get the rest of the server and the computers and everything installed for this site on the next video in the series. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment below. Comment if you liked it, comment if you didn't like it, so that we can improve the channel. And then we will see you on the next one. So, bye for now.